Hi guys, it is 3 a.m. in the morning when I am recording this video. So this video might go live at 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. in the morning. So you might be watching it at 10 a.m., 11 a.m. or 12 noon or something like that. So I was just going through a few messages which I received on Instagram and also in my email. So some of the CLAT aspirants are asking me that they are unable to afford the CLAT coaching which is offered by various CLAT coaching institutes. So I thought of solving this problem by providing some free live and recorded classes for anyone and everyone who is preparing for CLAT 2022 and also for CLAT 2023. So this video is presented by me. My name is Trinath Reddy. If you're watching my channel for the first time, this is about me. I'm the co-founder at Noobs Law School and I'm also an educator for CLAT and other law entrance exams at Unacademy, and I have also cleared the TS Law CET 2020 exam with a rank of 21. You can reach out to me by writing an email to my email ID lawmentorthrinath@gmail.com. So now let us understand the features of the free live and recorded classes which I am offering for CLAT 2022 and also for CLAT 2023 aspirants. See, all the classes will be live. For those who are unable to attend live classes, recordings will be available after the live sessions, and recordings can also be accessible absolutely for free. And there is other important feature which is at the end of the class you'll also get the notes and also study material. So whatever the notes which I am using in the classes, you will be able to download that and you can actually make notes out of that. And I'll also be sharing some additional material in my Telegram channel as well. So now the question is, how can you enroll in these free live and recorded classes for CLAT 2022 and also for CLAT 2023? So that is very simple. Fill out the form which is given in the description. In the description, the very first link will direct you to a form which will ask you to fill some basic details. And after that, you will be able to access these free live and recorded classes. So now, other important thing is that some of them can actually, afford CLAT coaching. Not very costly coaching, but there are some coachings which are giving you the CLAT programs at a very affordable price. I'm going to discuss about that as well. So if you want structured online classes, study material and also mock test for CLAT 2023, stay with me till the end. So these free live classes are for somebody who cannot actually access any of the CLAT coachings which are available out there. But if you're somebody who is looking for structured classes, because all the free live classes are not structured and there is no proper material. There is of course material, but you don't get proper material for all the subjects. And if you're also looking for mock test for CLAT 2023 or for CLAT 2022, here is something very very important for all of you. See, we are launching a very important batch on 13th of October 2021. This batch is already launched yesterday, and this is completely in Hindi, and this is a 2-year batch. The name of the batch is Laurama. So what exactly do you have in this batch? So all the syllabus is covered in a structured manner, and you also have raise a hand feature and live voice solutions by top educators, 50 plus additional mock test and weekly sectional test, and monthly current affairs and GK compendium. To enroll in this particular course, you can use my code. My code is Trinath10 THRINATH10. If you use this code, you will get additional 10% discount. So let us say you are using my code. If you are using my code, please write an email to me saying that you have used my code, and I will be providing you personal mentorship till your CLAT 2022 or CLAT 2023 examination. Another important batch which is going live tomorrow, that is on 15th of October 2021, a bilingual batch in both Hindi and English, which is known as Law Vista. This is again a beginner's batch for CLAT 2023, where you have all the other features which are there in all other batches. You have raise a hand feature. You need not type your comment. If you have any query, you can directly raise your hand and talk to the educator. So there are again 50 plus additional mock test and weekly sectional test and also monthly current affairs and GK compendium. So what are the prices of these courses? Guys, a 24-month subscription is the cheapest subscription of all, where you will be getting it for 1400 rupees per month, and you need not actually pay 1400 also. If you are using my code, you will get additional 10% discount on this. See, if you are somebody who is preparing for CLAT 2022 I would suggest you to go for 9 month subscription, which is available for a price of 20,700 rupees or 2,300 per month. But you need not pay this price. You can use my code. My code is Trinath10. You use this code, you'll be able to get additional 10% discount. And if you have credit score, then you will be able to get maybe additional 10% discount. And if you are using my code, please feel free to reach out to me. I will be offering you personal mentorship till your CLAT 2022 examination. And for those who are preparing for CLAT 2023, I would suggest you to take a 24-month subscription. So after taking 24-month subscription, which is the cheapest of all, because you have to pay just 1400 per month, and you need not pay 1400. You use my code, you'll get another 140 rupees discount, and you use your credit score, you'll get some more discount. So after enrolling, please feel free to write to me. I'll be offering you personal mentorship till your CLAT 2023 preparation. So this is about the CLAT subscriptions. These are not very costly, and we are actually offering it at a very affordable price. So if you're somebody who is looking for structured online classes, study material, and mock test for CLAT 2023 or CLAT 2022, make sure that you are enrolling in any of the batches. So these are some of the features which we have on our Unacademy app. So you have raise a hand and talk to the educator in live sessions. Need not type your comment. Raise your hand, ask me your doubt, I will solve it. And then there are unlimited quizzes. You can also launch a quiz. You can access live and recorded classes anytime and anywhere. Opportunity to learn from best educators and NLU alumni. And there are some very important weekly events which we conduct quite often, like Know Your Exam, Topper Strategies, and NLU Experiences. So earlier I conducted a Know Your Exam series. So maybe in the course of time, we will also be doing more of such things. And we have access to national mock test and also weekly sectional test. See, these are some free tests which are available. Unacademy Law Aptitude Test, which is a 60-minute test, and it is not a full length test, but it is a 60-minute test, but you can definitely go for it. All the sections are included. Then weekly T20 test is a quick 20-minute revision test for everyday practice. 20 minutes, 20 questions, 20 marks. And this is a kind of sectional test, I can say, and the schedule is given over here. This is open for everybody. Make sure that you are attempting these tests. So guys, these are our social media handles. So if you're somebody who is preparing for CLAT 2022 or CLAT 2023, make sure that you are joining in my Telegram channel, which is Trinath Reddy CLAT, THRINATHREDDYCLAT, or you can also join Noobs Law School Telegram channel. And Instagram handle is also Noobs Law School, and the same is for Twitter. And if you're somebody who is preparing for TS or AP Law CET, then you can definitely enroll. You can definitely join in my another Telegram channel, which is known as TS Law CET 2022. And I'm not going to give you the links of these channels in the description, because sometimes Telegram links don't work. So just go to Telegram and search these channels. You'll be able to get. One thing which I would suggest is, for those who are preparing for Law CET, please join this Telegram channel. Don't join in the CLAT. And for those who are preparing for CLAT, join in the CLAT channel. So this is about this video, and if you have any doubts, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section, and see you all very, very soon. Bye bye.